Hello, creative people. Good evening. I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. I'm creating a series of video where you can learn Figma from basic to advanced. Okay. On last video, I just initiated how to create a mockup. Now I'm continuing at that particular video and I'm creating an entire all the mockups. Okay. It, it will be on the home page and we will explore a few more pages and after that we will jump into the little bit complex and detailed project so that we can learn each and every details and a little bit in depth and some of the hidden options of Figma also. Okay, so without a further ado, let's jump into the Figma and create a mockup. Okay, here we are. So on previous video I created this wireframe. Okay, uh, low fidelity wireframe. Based on that I'm creating a mockup. Okay, so this section is for the trusted by. Okay, so let me enable the guidelines or here. So to enable the guidelines I can simply click on the frame name or I can click from here. Okay, and I can enable from on the right side of there is a layout. Okay, so here I need to change it's a grid. I need layout. Okay, so I can sorry columns. Okay, so that I can create. And for the websites we need a 12 what do you call columns. Okay, so I will type 12 and I will give margin 200. Okay, yeah, that's correct, much better. And gutter is let me show you what is the gutter. So click on that page and then let me explain what is the gutter. This gutter means the space between the two different columns. Okay, so and 200 margin means this gap between on this area, the white area. Okay, and from on the left and right side there is a 200 gap on each side. Okay, so see when I enable the columns, you can see as there is one red strip so that I cannot see very clearly my image or anything. Instead of like enabling all of the columns, so what I can do is I can simply create a guideline. Okay, so that I can at least I can know where it is. Okay, so okay, so here and on the next also I can just click. Okay, left click and drag and release the mouse. Okay, so this is how I can simply create a grid line. If I let's say for example again I'm clicking frame and then if I disable these columns still I can see the guideline. See, it's really easy and handy. Okay, now let's start with this section. So as I mentioned earlier on on earlier video, so this section is for the logos section. Okay, so trusted by, let's say this is one digital agency. Okay, and that digital agency is trusted by many organizations. So I will start with the trusted. Okay, by. So I will keep. Okay, so now I have to maintain the what you called this margin between the text also, and I need to keep it a center. So everything I have to align. Okay, to align the object or element, what I can do is simply I can select and here there is alignment. So I can simply click on this align horizontal center. See, it will automatically align. Okay, now I need a gap between of this. So here it is a 77. Okay, so I can even increase from here, or on the right side we can see there is a one small like a rectangle bracket up and down, right? All right, so you notice, I hope you notice. Okay, even here also I can increase and decrease. Okay, so instead of 137 I will keep only 100. Okay, fine. So I'm not like creating any proper guideline or anything here. I'm just trying to create a familiarity with the application. That's why I'm not going very precise whenever I'm creating. But at least while learning also, we need to be a very like a few. We need to follow some guidelines so that at least it can be presentable and we can show that we know a little bit about the Figma. Okay, so again I'm going to enable the grid because I need to use my logos as a grid. So what I will do is I will just copy same logo, okay, and I can repeat it. Okay, and here I will keep it one logo, and let me group it. Okay, so I will rename it. Okay, logo, let's say one or anything I can do, and I will just resize. Okay, so I'm pressing okay. Okay, so I actually wanted to resize. Okay, see, what I'm pressing from the keyboard is I'm pressing shift and trying to resize. So because of that, you can see my font is like acting very weirdly. So what I can do is I can make this text as an outline. To create outline, I can create an outline stroke, and then if I select my logo and if I try to resize, pressing shift, and it will resize. Okay, see, I just want to take these three columns. That's why I enable the columns to make it a little bit structured. Okay, so again I will copy and I will press command or control D. So as you can see, I created a, but it doesn't look good. Okay, isn't it? Yeah, it's not that much pretty good. Let me resize a little bit more. Okay, I will resize some more. Okay, this much, and I will follow the again same guideline, and I will press Ctrl D. Now it's much more clear, because see, whenever you are creating or placing any image or any logo or anything, we need to have a good like space for that content. Okay, otherwise it won't look good. So you have to understand that, right? And now let me do one thing. So I want to keep them on a one a box, rectangle box, like here you can see there is a rectangle box, right? So let me put them on a rectangle box. Okay, box, sorry, not a box. Okay, so first let me create let me delete all those things and let me create a rectangle box. Okay, so box might be, yes, okay, and let me do some a little bit a corner radius. Okay, so I will add 16 pixel, yeah, and let me arrange the width and height. See, normal human touch is 44, but I need a little bit bigger because it's a logo. That's why I want to keep it a little bigger. Let's go with the 64. Okay, and let me check whether logo is, now see, my rectangle is on the top and my logo is on bottom. That's why what I do, see, here is the logo and rectangle. I will just drag and drop and down. So still I need to resize, so I'm pressing shift and I will resize this. Okay, yes, pretty much good. So here I don't want to give them a background as any color, because whenever if I hover, I just want to like give a micro interaction while if someone is hovering. I just want to give slightly like background. That's why first I want to keep it outline. So how can I do here on the right side? So now I'm giving a fill color. I don't want fill color. That's why I'll click on minus. Okay, see, it's gone, but the shape is still on. So I will apply stroke color plus, and I will change some very light color. I don't need any very bright color. And for the logo also I will change some color. So here we have a selection color. If we change from here to here and here, it will change on particular specific area. But if I select from here, then what happen is, let me show you. So let me show you. I will select this, and now see, the stroke has not like affected the red color. See, now what I can do is on selection color, let me make it same so that I can show you. now it is selected on a same color. So if I select and if I like apply any color, then it will apply for all, right? So like it's a little bit dynamic than applying from this color if we have these selection colors. Okay, so it will be much more handy and easy to operate. Okay, so individually you can apply. No, I don't need red, I just need a little bit darker color. That's it. All right, so now what I do, I will just group them together. Okay, so by pressing Control or Command G, and I will name is logo. Yeah, simply logo. Leave it. Now I will copy. How I'm copying is I'm pressing Alt from keyboard and shift further straight. Okay, if I release the shift, you can see there is one guideline, but the object is not aligned. So if I press the shift, then it will align the two different elements together, and okay, it will keep their proportion. Okay, it will maintain its like a straight line. So now I will release a left click and I will release the keyboard key from the keyboard, and I will press Control D. Wait, what happened? Let me do again. Let me delete. See, simply. Okay. And all right. Now Control D, Control D. Yeah, that's it. So let me do something. Okay. All right. Now I need something. Okay, it's I'm not creating a like a prototype or anything right now. Okay, so I will give one what do you call logo slightly different to highlight what will happen on hover. Okay, so what I do now is I will select the element, and what happened? Okay, click to replace. Both there is a two different stroke and it has two different color. That's why what I need to do, what I have to do is I have to ungroup and I have to apply only for one. So here, see, I don't need a stroke color. For here I need a what do you call, very subtle. Okay, I don't want very drastic or contrast color. So I just want to give a very smooth, very subtle color only. Okay, and for the text also, okay, I will go through the selection and I will give a little bit darker. At least it can be highlighted other logo. Okay, other than it will be highlighted much more. Okay, that's good. Now let's disable these columns and let's see how it will look. Okay, see, I'm just, it's a static way to show the developer. Okay, let's say sometime what happen is you are in a hurry and you don't have much time to create a prototype, or sometimes what happen, the project budget is quite small and it's not that much necessary to completely create a prototype for any websites. So at least by doing this you can give them a hint. Okay, this is normal state, and whenever if you hover, then it looks like this. Okay, so at least you can explain them, and you can add later, you can add a comment sections. Okay, now what I do is, let me see, now we need to group them. Okay, so here is a 100 what do you call, margin. Okay, gap between this image and this 100 pixel is margin, but here is also, it looks like it's not 100, but it looks like 100, or it has a huge gap. So what I want is, I just want to make them group together. So first I will group this together. Okay, we need a component sections to create a component, but now I'm not creating any component or anything. I just want to give you a very simple and basic idea. That's why. Okay, so I will group together all of them and I will rename it logos. Okay, there are lots of logos, that's why. And I just want to reduce the gap. See, here is a 72, but I don't want a 72. What I want is let's say 64. How it looks? No, I just want to reduce 48. No, still I need to reduce 32. Yeah, much better. So at least we can identify which one is related with one. So the image and the text is separated. Okay, this text is for this group sections. So this is how we can create a hierarchy on a text also. Now this section is done. So now let's create these sections where we will keep about us sections. Okay, so first let's create this background, okay, to make a little bit abstract, okay, sorry, contrast with these sections. Okay, so let me create one rectangle box, and I will change the color to very subtle, very subtle. Okay, now let me add the same here. I just want to 100. Okay, and quite precise, right? Precise. Okay, so I create one let's say background. So I just want to separate the content. Okay, so this is for only, it has a white, complete white background, and it has a little bit grace, very light grace background. So it can be like it gives a separation with the two different content. So now I will lock this layer. Okay, so where it is locked. Okay, I will use it. Okay, here it is. So now it's locked. Now I can place the content. Okay, so for here it's about us. Okay, and let me increase the font to 18. Okay, we don't have to give much more, like very larger font. Okay, so we can give only 18, 16, 22. If we need to add a, we need to create a huge heading, then at least we can go with a 32 or 36, but we don't have to go like go beyond that. But again, it depends upon the project, and it depends upon the portfolio, or it depends upon the website and the brand. Okay, some brand has a very bold font, and they want to like give them a very emphasize on the text, and that's why they create a very large and a bold text, a little bit play on a typographic. Okay, it purely depends on, there is no any right or wrong, or there is no any specific path to create. Okay, there is no any specific rules and guideline, but at least we can create a hierarchy. Okay, so about us, and now I will give one company name. So this design. Okay, this is the company name. So for that I will give a 32. Okay, I just want to give, and let me give I will create a bold, so then at least we can highlight about us. That means what it is, here it is. So now we need some dummy text. I don't have any text, but using the resource panel and plugins, we can find the lorem ipsum to like add the content. Okay, so for now I don't want to show you that way either, so manually I want to show you. Okay, so first, lorem ipsum is a dummy text. Okay, for the website or anything, if you want to place any dummy text, okay, it's completely copyright. There is no any specific rules and regulations to, what is this? Oh, am I enabling? Yeah. Let me disable my this ad block. Okay, so let's say always. All right, so let me copy. Oh, I don't need that much big. Okay, so I can copy this only, and here I can let me drag and paste, and now I need to change some of the settings. So I need this. Okay, and I need a regular, and I will decrease it 12%. Okay, and what happened? Why? Okay, this, no, I need no, but yeah, that's it. And what I want to do is this, I want to decrease this. I will make 3 lines. Okay, and I want to center alignment. Okay, and the center alignment from on the page, also center align for the text also. All right, so, and I will click on this, so that it will like the rectangle box will like whatever grab all the portions. Okay, have extra layer. And wait, okay, I will give, I want to give a line space. Okay, so where it is, where it is. Okay, no, later spacing, no, line height, yes, line height. let me give some early basic yeah, at least okay, 19. This much will be okay. And I want to reduce the darkness also. I don't want that much dark text also. Okay, so yeah, this much will be yeah. And as I mentioned, I hope you have noticed, so I want to keep a video sections okay here. So what I can do is I can simply place one rectangle box here, and I will add a 16 pixels of corner radius, and I will center line it, and I will make it a little bit closer with these contact content. So I'm so sorry. And what I can do on a field color, see, if you click on that here, we can enable the videos file. So let me check whether I do have any to add a video file. Move file, it's okay. Choose item. Do I have any video file? No, right now I don't have. Okay, later I will add. So here you can select a video and then you can keep it. Okay, so if you have image, then obviously you can image. Let's keep it an image. So yeah, I will keep this. See, this is how we can place a video or image anything. Okay, so let's suppose it's a video. Okay, so though while working the video won't play here. Once you click on a preview, only after that we can see the play, like a video will be played, but here it won't be played. Okay, and obviously if I try to like click on a present right now also, it won't play because it's a image. Okay, it's and to give them a little bit effect, so what I want to do is I just want to give I want to saturate, because I just want to put one icon. Okay, and I want to reduce. Okay, a kind of like overlay effect I'm trying to make. Okay, tint also and highlights also. Yeah, I don't know, let's go. Yeah, contrast. Okay, let me give a little bit exposure. No, this must be okay. So see, there is another way also. Let me show you. Okay, so for example, if I just simply revert here. Okay, so instead of doing this much, simply what I can do is let me copy and paste. Okay, I have a two different layer. Now I can simply go to the fill color, and I can fill the black color, and I can reduce the opacity, and then I can create another overlay also. So it's depend upon you how you want to play. Okay, so let's go with it. Okay, so in middle of this screen I want to play one icon. Okay, that is a play icon. So first let me create a circle, and then I will remove the fill color, and I will add some stroke. It will be white, and I will increase the width of that stroke. Okay, and I will keep it on the middle of this, and I will bring this polygon, and I will make look like a play button, rotate it to 90-degree, and okay, so right, and I will keep it on the middle of this, and I will resize it. Okay, so let me resize. Okay, so I locked, that's why I can okay, let me do this. All right. Okay, I will again sorry, this again, this much, and let me reduce one more a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's good, right? So see, this is how we can create a video. We can give them a sense of the, yeah, it should be a video here. Now developer or front-end designer will place a link from the YouTube or locally. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, so still we have lots of sections. So this is the service, this is the work I'm so sorry. Work areas, project, portfolio, there are, and testimonial sections, footer sections. We have still a lot to go on. Okay, so I hope you will try to learn, and you will do, and you will practice by yourselves. Okay, without a practice you cannot learn, or you cannot improve yourself. So do some practice, and we will see you on a next video. Okay, well, that's all for this video. I hope you get the idea of how to create a basic mockups in Adobe Figma. Well, I will see you on our next video. Till then, be creative, be logical, be kind to everyone, love and respect each and everything, and protect the mother nature. See you on the next video. Bye bye.